There's the front while the car's elevated on the rack. On the side, you can see, I don't know if you can see in there, but underside's all coated, Raptor bed liner, a little dirt. Same thing back here, painted underside. There's your propane body mounts. There's, I think, 8 of them on here, 4 per side. And there's the rear, more of the rear. You go down this side. All the windows were professionally tinted with a moderate tint. Relatively light tint for Florida. If you don't like them, just get a razor blade and take them off. But they were professionally done. And here's a picture of the frame going down this side. There's your another propane mount and the Raptor bed liner. Underside of this car is definitely not going anywhere. It's very well protected. Here's the new steering box, radiator, tie rod ends, cover of the front axle. There's the back. Shocks, new exhaust, there's your O2 sensor, same thing, new bushings for the sway bar, tie rods, so forth, and all that. There's your oil pressure. The reason that one oil pressure sender isn't hooked up, it just lights up the idiot light on your dash. And I'm not sure it even works on here, but anyway, the sending unit for the actual gauge works. And then here's the transmission was all, taken out, sandblasted, rebuilt, new pan. Here's the rear, new transmission mounts in the rear, bolts, etc. New Carter fuel pump, new fuel hose. Goes into the stainless steel hose that runs along the frame up to the front. And then we come on back to the transfer case, which also was taken out, sandblasted, rebuilt, new chain, etc. New muffler. Turn around, here's the new tailpipe. There's your inside of your frame. There's your floor with the Raptor bed liner showing there. See it back here. Frame. New universal joints, new seals. There's a new seal on the rear of the transfer case. The front drive shaft was taken to a drive shaft shop and totally refurbished. However they do it, this knuckle can be kind of tricky. They redid that. There's your floor again. You can see the floor. There's no rust underneath here, obviously. These black lines going into the brakes are new. Emergency brake lines, new. And there's your new tailpipe. There's the floor and the rear, all sandblasted and coated. And that's pretty much it for the underside of the car. So you can see down the sides there, down the sides.